In this video, we will learn how to take a normal drum beat and add some extra spice to it to make it sound like this. You can see this technique used by drummers like Eric Moore. If you complete this lesson, you will be able to turn any boring drum beat into something truly exceptional. This technique involves the use of 30-second notes. What is a 30-second note? A 30-second note is just 32 notes played in a measure, which means there are 8 notes per pulse. The hand pattern we're gonna use is just right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. Let's take the basic beat and add our 30-second notes at the beginning. You can download the drum notations from the description. Let's see how that sounds at 60 BPM and then at 100 BPM. Pretty simple. If you're trying to improve your drumming, consider subscribing to the channel for new videos every week. Now let's create some variation to the 30-second notes by removing some notes. Out of the 8 notes, we will remove the 6th one, which is a right hand. Now the pattern becomes right, right, left, left, right, right, left. And it sounds like this. Now let's see how the entire groove sounds with the note removed at a slower tempo and at a higher tempo. Great, now it's time to remove 2 notes. This time it's the 2nd and the 5th one. The new pattern is right, left, right, left, right, right. Let's see how that sounds. Once you can play it comfortably, let's play the entire groove with the new pattern. This is how that sounds at 60 BPM and at 100 BPM. Awesome. Now you can try similar 30-second note pattern and try removing different notes and add it to your existing grooves. I hope you found this lesson helpful. If you like this video, definitely check out last week's video where I break down dynamic drumming. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.